Hey folks, how you doing today? So the debate goes on, do you restore it or don't you restore it? We got this little 1928 diamond book match vendor in recently, and the graphics were still good. It can only look like this once, so we thought, hell, we'll just leave it. We'll offer it up at a fair price. We didn't want to do it like these you see in the background here, and we thought we'd just leave it in its natural environment. So what we did was...
leave the damn thing alone.
So what we did was we just washed it all down, clear coat it, and service the mech, put a little satin clear on it so it's nice and clean. It's a great little match fender here. Now what I'm going to do is, this did not have a lock on it. This just popped open with the original instructions. This pops open, and as you see, this is the original weight. Typically all the vending machines do have weights in them so that it keeps the product moving down quite nicely. I took this out because once it is in there, it blocks the coin, okay? So it won't play if it has this in there because it's out of matches, so it won't allow you to put a coin in it. Anyway, cast iron bottom. It's got a stamped metal cabinet with a cast iron top. Great little machine, penny, book matches. It does take a bit of an odd sized book of matches, so you'll probably have to find something that's a little longer, a little wider, but it's a great running little machine. Looks good. It vends, but it's a kind of an odd sized match. I tried some normal ones in it. It didn't quite work.
Man, that's art.
Exactly.
Just look at it.
Exactly.
Yeah, all you need to match. No, just look at the people.
Nobody smokes anyway. So anyway, great little machine. Still got all the instructions on it. Got the original graphics on it. Got the weight in it. Runs. Cool little machine. Cast iron stab tin. So if you want one, we're getting rid of this one here at a pretty good price, and Jeff's going to mail it out to you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.